In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Git and GitHub with VS Code. We'll walk through opening a repository from GitHub in Visual Studio Code using Codespaces, and make sure you're set up to work smoothly. Start by opening your browser and heading to your GitHub dashboard. This is your home base on GitHub, where you can see your recent activity and repositories. From here, select the repository you want to work on. If you see it listed under your repositories, click it to open the project's main page. On the repository page, look for the green Code button near the top right. Click that to expand your options, then switch to the Codespaces tab. This tab is where you can work with your project in a cloud-based development environment that feels just like local VS Code. If a Codespace is already available for this repo, select it. If you see a highlighted option to continue or manage Codespaces, use that to proceed inside the Codespaces area for this project. Once you're in the Codespaces options, choose Open in Visual Studio Code. Your browser should prompt you to open the desktop app. Approve that prompt so it launches VS Code and connects directly to your Codespace. If you don't receive a prompt, or nothing opens, it likely means Visual Studio Code isn't installed yet on your machine. To install Visual Studio Code, go to the official download page. You'll see it described as free, open source, with integrated Git, debugging, and extensions. Choose the installer that matches your operating system. On Windows, download the Windows installer. On Linux distributions like Ubuntu or Debian, pick the Deb package. On macOS, select the Mac download. Run the installer, follow the on-screen steps, and when setup completes, return to your browser and click Open in Visual Studio Code again, so it connects properly to your Codespace. Once VS Code opens your repository through Codespaces, you're ready to work. You can add a new file from the Explorer, make edits, and take advantage of the integrated Git view to see changes and branches right inside the editor. You'll also find helpful built-in tools and extensions that can assist while you build your site or app, streamlining everything from code navigation to testing. That's it. You've navigated from your GitHub dashboard to your repository, opened the Codespaces tab, launched the project in Visual Studio Code, and ensured VS Code is installed correctly if the prompt didn't appear. You're now set up to use Git and GitHub